Hey there art buddies, welcome back to Brush and Beyond. Ever tried catching fireflies as a kid? Today we are bringing that childhood magic to life on the iPad. Let's light up the night with some glowing fireflies in a jar, step by sparkly step. Start with a dark moody background, think nighttime forest. Let's start by sketching a simple jar. No lid, just a cozy little space for our fireflies. Using a whitish color on this dark background really makes it pop. Adding a few detail lines, just enough to give it shape and form. Time for our tiny star of the show, the firefly. Let's start by sketching its cute little body. Adding her fluttery wings. And now a few tiny details. Look, she's almost ready to shine. I'm softening up the wings with a gentle glow using a soft brush. Now for my favorite part, let's make her glow. I'm duplicating the tail layer and filling it with a warm yellow. Now watch this, the Gaussian blur magic begins. Slide it left, slide it right. Oh, it's glowing like a dream. Let's not stop at one, we need a whole new bunch of these shiny wonders. So duplicating the little glow buds. Scatter them like they're dancing in the night air. Ready for the sparkle? Add dotted trails to show where your fireflies have been fluttering. It brings in so much charm and movement, like they're dancing just for you. Now, a soft little glow around them with a soft brush. Look at that, it's starting to feel magical. Adding some final sparkle using the glitter brush, like more little fireflies far, far away. Time to add the text, tiny, shiny wonders of the world. You can add your own magical message or use mine, make it glow too. Fireflies always leave me in awe, lighting up dark nights like tiny lanterns. Just one last touch, a glow around the text with some Gaussian blur magic. And that's it, a glowing night full of fireflies captured in your iPad jar. Like, share and tag me if you create your own version. I'd like to see your magical moments. Hit subscribe for more magical and relaxing art tutorials right here on Brush and Beyond.